Okay, solving equations involving fractions. For examples, all ever so slightly different types of fractions, where the x is and what other numbers and combinations of operators I've got involved. All of them, I'm going to get rid of the denominator first by multiplying both sides of my equal sign by the denominator. So for example, the first one, x divided by 3 equals 4. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3, because on the left hand side, 3 times x divided by 3, the 3's cancel, I'm just left with x. And on the right hand side, 4 times 3 is 12, x is 12. We can check by substituting for x. So x is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that makes sense. So x is equal to 12 is the right answer. Brilliant. We multiply by the denominator, so we multiply both sides by x. So x times 8 over x, the x is cancelled, just leave it with 8. And 4 times x on the right hand side is 4x. So 4x is equal to 8, and then to get rid of the 4 times, we divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels with the 4 on the left hand side, 4 times x cancels with divide by 4, and we're left with 8 divided by 4 is 2, x is 2. Check by substituting. 8 divided by 2 is 4, of course it is. So that agrees, that concurs, so x is 2 is the right answer. Multiply by the denominator both sides, gets rid of the denominator on the left hand side here. So I'm left with 5x minus 3 divided by 1, or just 5x divided by minus 3. And then 2 times 4 on the right hand side is 8. Then we add 3 to get rid of the minus 3 both sides. So 5x is 11, and then we divide by 5 both sides. So we're left with x is 11 over 5. Substitutes, check. 5 times 11 fifths, because we've got 5 times x. And then take away 3 and divide by 4. 5 times 11 fifths is 11. Take away 3 is 8. Divided by 4 is 2, which agrees with what our original was. So x is 11 over 5 is the correct answer. Okay, multiply by the denominator, which is 4x, cancels with the 4x on the right hand side, and times by 3 on the left hand side to be 12x. And that's equal to 15x plus 2. So take away 15x from both sides, minus 3x is equal to 2, and then divide by minus 3 to get rid of the times by minus 3. So x is minus 2/3. Substitute in the original, just to make sure. So I've got 15 times minus 2/3, and then add 2, which is add 6/3 if you like, divided by 4 lots of minus 2/3, which is divided by minus 8 over 3. So 15 times minus 2 is minus 30 over 3, plus 6 over 3, and then divided by minus 8 over 3. But minus 30 over 3 is minus 10, plus 2 is minus 8, and when we divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So turn the fraction upside down to get 3/8, or minus 3/8. Change the divide to a times, and it's the same answer. And the 8's cancel, so I'm left with minus 3, which is 3, which agrees with what was in the original. So that must mean that x is minus 2/3 is the correct answer. Of course it is. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Bye for now.